Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish. Welcome to our first episode of Ladakh Ride, and in this video, what I will be explaining you is how to transport your motorcycle if you're traveling to Ladakh and where it needs to be sent depending upon where you start your ride. So we are starting our ride from Chandigarh, and we have 20 riders in this trip. 15 Honda riders and 5 non-Honda riders will be a part of the entire Ladakh trip. And this is our transport, and here's our motorcycles which are packed. You see how good these are packed. So this is done from V Express. So I'm using V Express as a courier to send all the motorcycles to Chandigarh. So I'm sending it from Mangalore. All these years we used to send it from Bangalore, but this time, since we have multiple motorcycles, I requested them to come to Mangalore, and they've packed it and ready to send. And there are last 2 motorcycles which are getting packed, and after which this will be loaded from here, which is Mangalore, will be sent to Chandigarh. And there's the office of V Express in Mangalore, which is this is in Bandar. That's the V Express office. And when you send your motorcycle, you also get a box to send your riding gears. So let me show you that as well. So our box. So those are all our box which will go along with your motorcycle. So in that box we have all our riding gears, helmets and everything. So all the each motorcycle will get one box which will be sent along with the bike. So you don't have to carry your riding gear additionally. So that bit is taken care of. If you guys have any question regarding how to transport your motorcycle, comment below and I'll help you guys. And you can connect with me on Instagram as well. Any motorcycle to be transferred anywhere in the country, you can comment, and then I will help you guys how to go about it. And here you see, this is the final layer of packing, which is a kind of a cling wrap that they use after having about 2-3 layers of other stuff, packing material, that is bubble wrap, foam, and then the cardboard material, and then finally you have this cling wrap which goes on the top. I'm going to tell you how to go about packing your stuff apart from sending your motorcycle. What are the things that you need to pack for a Ladakh ride? So yes, let's get back home and show you how to go about packing for Ladakh ride. We are back to home now. We are packing our stuff. So motorcycles are packed, sent, it is reached, and now I'm going to show you how to pack for Ladakh ride. And you always need to travel as light as possible. So I'll run you through everything that I pack for my Ladakh ride. So let's have a look. So I carry a rucksack. So this is a 75-liter rucksack that I carry. And then what I'm going to carry is all this stuff. I'll explain it quickly. This is a jersey from Rise Moto. I'm carrying a jersey. I will have 2 t-shirts. One is Honda and one is Race Dynamics. And these are my inner liners. So I'll have 2 sets of inner liners, my night clothing, 2 set of quick dry night clothing, 1 denim, that's all, 1 proper jacket by the North Face, 1 leather gloves to take care of the cold. I'll have my balaclava. I have 3 sets of balaclava, some handkerchief, and then this is very important to keep yourself warm. So I have about 2 woolen socks, 1 woolen socks while sleeping. This would be during ride. These are my thermal liners. So I have 2 set of thermal liners. Then I have a skull cap. This is my towel, and then innerwears. So this is all the stuff that I will be carrying in terms of clothing. And then these are all the gadgets that I'll be carrying. So I have a mic system by Midsummer, Insta360, the cover for it, 1 speaker to stay alive during our night sessions, to have some fun. Then on Boya mic, then I'll have a card holder, and then I have battery for Insta360, 2 GoPros, the case, video case, the mod case for GoPro, and then that one, let me show you that. That's a lifesaver. So this one is a lifesaver. So this can charge multiple electrical units or electronic units at the same time. So that's something that I carry all the time. And then this is a complete first aid kit. So everything that you need for basic first aid is in there and there. So this is the entire stuff that I will be carrying, and then missed out on a couple of things. So my sunglasses, and then few essentials which will be carried along with me. So this is how I go about packing. I travel as light as possible because most of the days you will not be wearing too much of a clothing. It's your riding gear. So most important is to stay hygiene by washing your clothes alternate days or once in 3 days. Basically your base liners, just they dry quickly, so you can do that. And then thermals, of course, once you hit lay and going forward, you would need your thermals, so that's where these come very handy. So yeah, there it is. So this is how you go about packing. And yes, this is going to be one crazy ride with 20 other Mangaloreans along with us riding in Ladakh. So let's have a lot of fun. So stay tuned in this episode. It's going to be multiple episode videos. So at least I might have 10 to 15 videos for sure about the entire ride. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And this ride is a ride in collaboration between myself, Honda, and Rise Moto. So we are going to create a lot of content for Honda, for Rise Moto, and for myself as well. So we're going to have a lot of fun. So stay tuned, and until the next video, bye bye.